Today is January 25th, and I'm preparing to take my life test. My brother-in-law, he dropped off his car, his sports car over there. There's no limit. And they got the house for sale over there. But yeah, this is the first snow of 2023. It is wet and nasty out here, guys. I mean, wet and nasty. It's cold. The high only gonna be 37 today, January 25th, 2023. And yep, I'm prepared for my life test. I got my laptop over there with my daughter's laptop. I got the phone charging in the laptop, and then I'm casting the life booklet up on my Samsung smart TV. And yeah, took down the Christmas decorations in the kitchen and on this porch. And